Hello creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survival and I'll be showing you the breakdown of how I played the song. So this is what I play using my right hand, mi so do, fa la do, and then re so ti. When I'm playing la on the left, I use mi la do on my right. So this is how I play it. But if I'm to play la on my left, I use this mi la do. I use this chord. Mi la do. So this is what I play using my left hand. So do 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 mi la, do fa fa fa, re so so so. So do 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 mi la, do fa fa fa, re so so so. So do 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 mi la, do fa fa fa, re so so so. So do 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 mi la, do fa fa fa, re so so so. So I'll play it slowly for you to get it. If you are new to my channel and you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos online, I will advise you to use the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. With that, it will enable you to get notification anytime I upload new videos online. If you learned one or two things from my videos, please click the like button and share with your friends so that others will know that my videos have some useful content. I would so much love to hear from you. I would so much appreciate your comments. And if there is any tutorial you want me to make, please drop it as a comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. God bless you.